everyone and welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashi's Heaven. If you have missed my recent video, I'll just give it in the iCard above. Please do watch that and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. And yeah, without much late, let's get started. So today's video is all about my purple haul. So as you all know, there are lots and lots of offers going on in purple currently. So I don't have much products. I have only 5 products with me that I have purchased from Purple. So let me see what is the offer and how are they offering and all of that. So to know that, I've just made a very small purchase. So this purchase consists of only 5 products. So without much delay, let's quickly get into the video and see what all I have purchased and what were the offers. First product that I have purchased is from Bella Wost. So these are lip crayons. So I was thinking to purchase a lip crayon since so many days. So I was thinking, so I had n number of options in purple for lip crayon under lip crayons categories. So some offer was going on. If you buy 2, pay for 1, and if you buy 4, pay for 2. That was some offer going on in under Bella Wost brand. So yeah, what I did is I purchased 2 and I paid for only 1. So I think I am not remembering the exact price. I'll just mention it on the screen, guys. So these 2 are really great lip crayons, I must say. These are not retractable. One negative about these lip crayons are these are not retractable, guys. You have to sharpen it all the time. So I felt that they would have given a retractable one, so that would have been much more better for us. But I will show you the shade here. I mean, packaging wise, I would say this is really superb, guys. It is so sturdy, and the cap is also tightly fixing into it, and this doesn't come out, or this will not be messed up because you have a very tight secured cap. And packaging wise, this is so sturdy, and I really like the packaging also. And gram weight wise, I would say I don't know if I can find it here. Yeah, 2.8 grams they are providing in this price range, guys. So I'll mention the price on the screen, and at the same time, this is under the shade 04 and this is 08, guys. So if any one of you are looking, I'll just link these products in the description box below. Please do check my description box, guys. So let's quickly see how it is looking. And one thing I would like to say is, today I have applied this lip crayon on my lips, and it is really superb, guys. This is really pigmented, and at the same time, this has a very creamy and a soft texture. I really like the way it is performing, guys. So this is just superb, guys. So let's see the shade. So this is the 08 shade. So as you can see, it is like this kind of a nude, some kind of a nude shade it is. So I really like this shade. This is one of my favorite shades. Shade is like a red, so it is like this. So this is kind of a red. So as you can see, it is so creamy and pigmented, guys. Even with a single stroke, it is superbly superb texture it has. I really like the texture wise and everything. It is so great. So this is under the shade 04. This is like a red pink mix, and this is a nude shade. So if anyone of you are looking for lip crayons in the budget and affordable category, then you can definitely go for Bella Wost. And I think the sale, this carnival sale lasts till 27th, I guess. So if anyone of you are interested in purchasing, quickly go and purchase this, guys, before the sale ends. So this is my first product. And the next product that I purchased is this from the brand NY Bay. So this is a foundation cum concealer cum color corrector stick. So this serves 3 in 1. So this is under the shade Ivory. So this is under the shade Ivory. So the pack, this is like this, and even this, I think this is below 100 rupees. So even for NY Bay, they were having some offers. I'm not remembering the exact offer, guys. You had multiple offers in this brand as well. So I purchased this. So you can just surf a little bit in the app, then you will get to know what are the current offers they are giving. So I think this was having some 50% off or 40% off, something like that was going on. So MRP wise, it is MRP. Oops, I'm not finding the MRP of this, guys. I'll just mention the offer price on the screen, so you'll come to know about this. So this is under the shade Ivory, and I have actually tried this, guys. So this is really superb, I should say. So if you want to have a very minimalistic makeup, and it serves as a 3 in 1 as well. You can use this also as a color corrector, as a foundation stick, and also as a concealer. You can use this, guys. So this is really superb, guys. So you will have the product like this inside. So this packaging wise, it is super sturdy, and I really like the quality of this packaging as well. And gram weight of this, I will say is 2 grams in this price range. The MRP of this is 115 rupees, but I think I got this for some 82 rupees, I guess. So in that in that price range, this is just superb, I should say. So I have applied it, and this is really, you know, blending it really well into your skin. And just so this is a shade, it really suits my skin so much. So this is a shade, it is actually close to my shade. So yeah, I really liked it. And coverage wise, superb, and performance wise also, it is just superb, guys. So it also really it is easy to blend as well, guys. With your it blends so quickly into your skin, and it is very easy to blend into your skin. It is not that difficult to blend this product as well. So this is my next purchase and my next suggestion. Next product that I purchased is a very common product, which is an eyeliner. So this is from the brand Lakme eyeliner. So the MRP of this is actually 130, 140 rupees, something like that. Yeah, 130 rupees. But in the offer, I got this for 100 rupees. So I didn't have any second choice also. So I just purchased this. This is a really good eyeliner, I must say. So if anyone is interested in purchasing, you can try this out. This is a superb eyeliner, guys. So this is my next purchase. Okay, guys. So the next purchase is this lip balm. So this is from Maybelline New York Baby Lips. So this has SPF 20 in it, and I had an eye on this product since so long, and I thought this was little bit costly, so I was just skipping this from my cart. So when compared with other lip balms, this is a little bit costly in the sense this retails for around 175 rupees. It is affordable only, but in my eyes I felt it was a little bit costly because I just thought of purchasing this in any offer, so in that way I can save some money. So when I saw it in Nykaa, it was around 150 rupees like that, when in this purple offer it came for 130 rupees. So I had, you know, I just had to immediately grab this product. So I purchased this. The MRP is 175 rupees, and I got this for some 120, 130 rupees. So this is my, you know, I was awaiting for this lip balm since so long, and finally I had purchased this. So let me see how is this, I mean how good it is on, you know, so let me just open. I think this is a tinted lip balm because I haven't used Baby Lips lip balms, you know, since ever. This is my first time I'm going to use this lip balm. So I think, yeah, so this is so superb, guys. So I really like the packaging wise. This is just awesome, I would say. So this is really good, and packaging wise just superb. And let me see how is this. So this is a tinted one, but I don't know if it is tinted even on your lips. So let us have a swatch here. Oh, it is not tinted. Yeah, it is tinted, guys. It is tinted, but I don't know if the camera captures this, but it is, yeah, if you can see, it is tinted. So yeah, I am really liking this color and the consistency. So they are providing 4 grams of the product. So this is under the shade, as I've earlier told you, this is Brooklyn Bronze, and this is a tinted one. So I think it also has a really good smell, guys. So this is consistency wise is also so good, and it is also has a glossy look, and it is a tinted one, guys. So it really works as a lipstick also. If you are not interested in applying any lipstick, then you can definitely go for this lip balms, because these are tinted and it gives a very glossy look to your lips as well. So yeah, I think, yeah, I have already told you the price and the offer price as well. They are providing 4 grams of the product. So I think this is just a superb lip balm, guys. This is my next purchase. Finally, my last purchase was this loose powder. I mean, it's a rose powder. Yeah, rose powder from Lakme, which has also sunscreen in it. So I haven't used any loose powders or rose powders from any of the brands. So this is my first purchase. So I just thought, so as soon as I saw this in the offer, so I just thought I should definitely give it a try. So I should see how is it working and the quantity and everything. So actually I was expecting this, surprised me actually, because I thought the packaging will be a little bit smaller, but in reality it came out to be a bigger one. So this is the size, if you could see. So this is a little bit bigger one. So I think I think the MRP of this is 170 rupees, and I think I purchased this for around 110 or 120 rupees, something like that. I didn't pay much for this. So this has 2 variants, right? So one is soft pink and the other one is warm pink. So I purchased 0 to warm pink shade, guys, because I don't want to try that soft pink one. So I purchased this warm pink shade, and they are providing 40 grams of the product in this price range, which is just superb, guys. So packaging wise, big thumbs up and everything. So it is, the product will not come out because I just show you how to open it. So you have to just twist it like this. So if you twist it, yeah, so there is it has a dabba kind of a feeling. Okay, so there is an applicator, so which is not that highly, that quality is not there for that. But then, so if you open it, so it is like this. Here you have one it is covered like this, and there is a sticker here, guys. So if you open this, it is written pull. If you pull this, you have several holes in this tin, and if you just tap it like this, the product comes out, guys, and then you can apply it on your face. So it has a very good smell of rose. I really liked. So I really like the smell, guys. And if you see, so this is the consistency, and if you apply it, easily blends, and it has a really good smell, and you can use this as a loose powder or rose powder whenever you're using, whenever you're willing to, if at all you're not liking to apply a compact powder, then you can definitely apply this. I really like this, guys. So I would just give a big thumbs up for this product as well. So this is my last purchase, and I would say the offers in Purplle are just splendid, I would say, because they are offering handful of offers you have. So this is the best time for you to grab your favorite product. So if you had an eye on any product since so long, as it has been highly priced, and if you have not purchased, now it is the best time to purchase, guys. So Purplle has multiple brands in it, so you also have multiple categories. You have n number of products, right from lower category to the higher category. You have n number of products in that particular app. So as my first experience was, this was my first experience with Purplle, I am really happy and super happy, and I would give a big thumbs up for the team Purplle for offering such great offers. Though I have purchased very few products, but I am highly satisfied with the products and the offers as well. So yeah, for today, guys, if you're liking my video and content, please like, share and subscribe. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.